All right, we're going to go ahead and finish up our Google Docs tutorial. So right here is where we can change where our words are going to be typing. So this one is in the middle, and then this one can push it over to the left. And then this one is going to change our font size, our spacing. So if you notice, when my font size is single or even 1.1, it is a lot smaller and the words are a lot closer together in between the lines. This is going to go ahead and be a bullet list. This is a bullet points. These ones are numbers, and we'll go from there.